Hey everyone, it's your host Brian Heisler. Welcome to Math Talk, and today we're going to continue our series on slope and equations of lines, and we're going to look at how to find the slope using the actual formula itself, mathematically. So let's try it. The slope formula is shown in the top left here. You have m, which is usually the letter they use to represent slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And what that really just means is you're given 2 points, and the coordinates of the points are x1, y1, and x2, y2. It just really means your first x, your second x, your first y, and your second y. And what you want to do is you want to plug those numbers into your formula and do the math to simplify your fraction. So we have a couple examples, and let's try it out. The first one, we have m equals, from my fraction bar. So when you're looking at choosing which one of your points is the second point and which one is the first, it really doesn't matter at all as long as you're consistent. And what I mean by that is, let's say you choose this one as your second y, then you have to also choose this one as your second x. You can't flip-flop. So just make sure you're consistent. And what I like to do is just whatever the second point is, that's going to be my x2, y2. So in this case, y2 is going to be 1. And y1 is going to be -3, so 1 minus -3. My x2, or my second x, is -4, and my first x is -9. So all I'm doing is plugging in those values, and I got to do the math now. 1 minus -3 is like 1 plus 3, which is 4. -4 minus -9 is like -4 plus 9, which is 5. So there's my slope for the first one. It's a positive slope. That line would go up to the right. Let's look at another example. We have m equals, let's see, so y2 I'm going to say is this 4 right here, the second y. So 4 minus my first y in this case is going to be 10. My second x is going to be 5. And my first x is going to be the other 4. So now we just got to do the math. 4 minus 10 is -6, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So any number divided by 1 is the number itself. In this case, my slope is going to be -6. It's a pretty steep slope. It goes down to the right. I hope this helps when you're looking at calculating formulas or calculating slopes using the formula. Remember, it doesn't matter which point you choose is your first and second as long as you're consistent. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, it's Brian, your host of Math Talk. I just want to thank everyone for watching my videos on YouTube and following me on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you feel like after watching these videos, you still need the better classroom setting or one-on-one, and you live in the Palm Beach County area, come visit our website at www.geds.com. Come check out the different locations that we have and find one that suits you best, that's closest to where you are, and you can come take classes. Thanks for watching.